start with chapter number 14, Space Travelers. There are many people who have traveled to the space, like we have Yuri Gagarin from Russia. And what is space? The Earth is surrounded by a layer of air called atmosphere, which is space. And the outer space begins with about 800 kilometers above the Earth, where the cover of the air around our planet disappears. Space appears like a blanket, dotted with the sun, moon, planets, and twinkling stars. People who have gone into space, there are many people. Like people have always been fascinated with space. They have gone into space, like Yuri Gagarin of Russia says, was the first human to go into space. And Indian astronaut Rakesh Sharma, Kalpana Chawla, and Sunita Williams had also traveled into space. Okay? And they remained in the space for the maximum time. Like this, Yuri Gagarin, Rakesh Sharma, Kalpana Chawla, and Sunita Williams. Now, gravitational pull. The Earth has power of attraction with which pulls object towards the itself. The power is called Earth gravitational force और gravity. आपने देखा होगा कुछ भी चीज स्काई में फेंकी वो नीचे आता है. हम बॉल लेते हैं, बॉल को ऊपर थ्रो करते हैं तो कहाँ आती है? वो नीचे ही आती है क्योंकि अट्रैक्ट्स द अर्थ. नाउ अर्थ ग्रेविटेशनल पुल इज वेरी स्ट्रांग. जो अर्थ का ग्रेविटेशनल पुल है वो बहुत स्ट्रांग है. एंड वी यूज वेरी पावरफुल मशीन कॉल्ड स्पेस रॉकेट. हम पावरफुल मशीन का यूज करते हैं known as space rocket to get out of its pull and to go into space. Now Earth is the only planet which has life on it. Earth एक ऐसा planet है जिसके पास क्या है? Life. Life on the moon. The moon looks very beautiful from the Earth. There is no air or water on the moon. As you know, plants and animals, they also need both air and water to live. So there is no plants or animals on the moon. That's why कोई भी plant और ना ही कोई animal आपके moon पे है. The surface of the moon is covered with huge potholes, जिन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? Craters कहते हैं. Now the gravitational pull of moon is 6 times less than that of Earth. So our weight on the moon is 1/6. जो हमारा weight है moon पे 1/6 आपके Earth के moon. Now landing on the moon. In 1969, Neil Armstrong became the first human to step on the moon. He went to the moon on the spacecraft, जिसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Apollo 2. And after he landed on the moon, जैसे उसने मून पे लैंड करा, the first word Neil Armstrong spoke was, "That's a small step for men, but can't leap for mankind." And 2 astronauts, Edwin Aldrin and Michael Collins, also sent with him. इनको भी भेजा गया था. And moon is the nearest planet to the Earth. Moon क्या है? सबसे nearest planet. Now, let's start with exercise of the chapter. First, pick the correct option. Dash has a world record by being in space for maximum time. सबसे ज्यादा टाइम कौन रही है आपके? There is no air or water, both. Dash was the first human to go on to space, that is Yuri Gagarin. The study of heavenly body is called. Neil Armstrong went to the moon on the spacecraft called Apollo 2. Now fill in the blank. The dash is a place outside the layer of air surrounding the Earth. That is space. The force of attraction of the Earth is called gravitational force. Dash was the first human to go into space. The gravitational pull of the moon is 1/6 of the Earth. Dash is the only planet which has life on it. Now write T for true and F for false statement. Right? The earth is surrounded by layer of water. False. Layer of air. People have always been fascinated with space. It's true. Sunita Williams was the first human to go into space. False. She was Yuri Gagarin. Kalpana Chawla was a Russian astronaut. False. Neil Armstrong was the first human to step on the moon's surface. It's true. Now write 2 lives about each. You have to write the two lives about them all. These are our astronauts. Now give reason there are no planet or animal on the moon because there is no air or no water present on the moon. We do not fell off even though the earth is round and shape. क्योंकि वो पोल पे क्या है flattened. Now answer the following question. What is space? The air, a layer of air surrounded by atmosphere. हम क्या कहते हैं space क्या है? Name a person who go into space first. Yuri Gagarin. What is gravitational force or force of attraction? That क्या करती है अर्थ की तरफ हमें क्या करती है खींचती है. Why is life not possible on the moon? Because on the moon there is no water and no air. What did Neil Armstrong say when he stepped on the moon? Now, for the activity you have to do yourself. Our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood the chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.